How do you import your W-2 on TurboTax? Let's get started. First, navigate to the website of TurboTax and log into your account. Once logged in, select Work on My Taxes or Start a New Return. Navigate to the Income and Expenses section. On the Income, find and select the Wages and Salaries W-2 option. TurboTax will ask if you want to import your W-2. Select Yes. Provide your employer's name or EIN if prompted. The EIN is typically listed in Box B of your W-2 form. TurboTax will search for your W-2 from its database of partnered employers or payroll providers. If your employer participates, log into your payroll account via a TurboTax interface to authorize the transfer. TurboTax will automatically fill the information from your W-2. Double-check the imported details for accuracy. If your employer does not participate in W-2 import, or if the import fails, you can manually enter your W-2 details by typing them into the provided fields. By following these steps, you can easily import your W-2 into TurboTax and streamline your tax preparation. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.